the issue is unsolvable. That's how Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, described his country's standoff with the United States. At a time when Europe is pushing for fresh nuclear talks and Washington is tightening sanctions, Iran is digging in its heels. So, is the Iran US conflict heading towards a point of no return? And why does Khamenei believe negotiations are meaningless? On Sunday, Khamenei declared that Iran would resist any US pressure to make it obedient. He warned that those pushing for talks with Washington only look at appearances while ignoring deeper realities. In his words, the issue is unsolvable. It signals Tehran's refusal to bow to Western demands, even as its economy reels under sanctions. At the heart of the tension is Iran's nuclear program. European powers, France, Britain, and Germany, have agreed to resume talks with Iran next week. They are threatening to trigger a snapback of UN sanctions if Tehran refuses to cooperate. Why the alarm? Because after a bloody 12-day war with Israel in June, Iran halted all cooperation with the International Atomic Energy Agency. That left the world blind to Iran's nuclear stockpile, already enriched to 60% purity, alarming close to 90% needed for a weapon. Germany's foreign minister, Waitful, bluntly warned Iran sanctions will snap back unless they are verifiable. Durable deal. Time, he said, is running out. Meanwhile, Washington is squeezing harder, expanding sanctions, blacklisting Iranian companies and ships. To the US and its allies, Iran's nuclear ambitions remain a dangerous violation of the NPT. But Tehran insists its program is peaceful, meant for civilian energy, not bombs. The situation escalated dramatically just months ago. In June, Israel bombed Iranian nuclear sites during a 12-day war. In retaliation, Iran suspended negotiations with the US, effectively shutting the door on any short-term compromise. Since then, IAEA inspectors have been locked out of nuclear facilities. Even IAEA chief Rafael Grossi has warned that inspections are essential, but Iran isn't budging. For the West, this is a nightmare scenario, a nuclear program advancing without oversight. For Iran, it's leverage. Not everyone believes Iran is racing towards a bomb. The IAEA itself has said Tehran is not close to building a weapon. And in March, US National Intelligence Director Tulsi Gabbard testified that there is no evidence Iran is moving towards a nuclear arsenal. But skepticism runs deep in Washington, Tel Aviv, and European capitals, where the fear is that Iran could cross the threshold at any moment. So, where does this leave the world? Talks are scheduled next week, but expectations are low. Iran's envoy has already called Europe legally and morally incompetent and to use the snapback sanctions mechanism. Ayatollah Khamenei's hardline statement makes one bigger thing clear. Tehran has no intention of becoming obedient. That leaves three possibilities: prolonged stalemate, sanctions that cripple Iran's economy further, or a dangerous escalation, possibly another military clash with Israel or the United States. As the nuclear clock ticks, the world watches a familiar standoff where neither side seems ready to blink. For now, Khamenei insists that issue is unsolvable, but history shows in geopolitics nothing stays unsolved forever.